everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix your WhatsApp status not showing problem. If you've recently updated your WhatsApp status but you're not being able to see it, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you're not being able to see your WhatsApp status loading properly on your WhatsApp, then the first thing to do is to check and see if you are connected to the Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Make sure that you are connected to either your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Make sure to be connected to the strong one and go back to your WhatsApp application and see if that fixes your error. Simply wait for a little while and after a minute, you should be able to see your status again. If that still does not fix your issue, next thing to do is to make sure to restart your phone. Simply hold the power button and in the menu, choose Restart, relaunch your system, and once you do that, go back to your WhatsApp application and try again. If you are able to fix your issue after that, then that's great, but if it does not make any kind of a difference, then the next thing to do is uninstall your WhatsApp application. Hold the application from the app drawer and tap on the uninstall button. In the pop-up, tap on OK in order to confirm your action. Once the application has been uninstalled, go to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp in the search box. After you do that, tap on the install button right next to the application in order to reinstall the application on your Android device. Wait for a few seconds and your application should be installed. After it is done, tap on the open button in order to launch the app open. Tap on agree and continue and log into your account by entering your phone number. Once you're done, you should be able to log in back to your WhatsApp application. Allow access for your WhatsApp application to your photo medias and files. And once you're logged into your account, go to your status, tap on my status button and simply post your status. Wait for a few while and you should be able to update your status right away. That is how your status problem can be solved on WhatsApp. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.